Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased stylishfox.com reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video, as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that Stylish Fox offers a special collection of kurtis such as printed kurtis, designer kurtis, cotton kurtis and much more. And guys, the most attractive part here is the prices of these kurtis, which seems too good to be true. So before buying anything from this shopping website, let's check its authenticity. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to check the delivery and shipping policy. So here we can see that they have stated that all orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. And guys, shipping charges are not disclosed here. Now let's have a look on return and refund policy. So here we can see that their return and replacement policy lasts for 15 days of the receipt of the product, and nothing is clearly specified about the refund procedure, which is quite a negative point. Moving on to check the cancellation policy. So again here we can see that no information related to cancellation policy is disclosed. So it's a negative highlight. So guys, now it becomes very important to know the way to contact their customer service. So let's check their contact details. So guys, here we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is stylishfoxinfo@gmail.com. So company's address, its contact number is not provided. And addition to this guys, Stylish Fox lacks presence on social media platforms. So again, it's a negative highlight. Now let's proceed to check the registration details. So guys, the domain name of Stylish Fox was registered on 5th October 2021. Thus the website does not have much traffic as it was registered just a couple of days back. Now let's talk about the customer reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So here on the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check on the reliable sites on the internet. So as I said, it was registered just a couple of days back. So over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the products offered on stylishfox.com. Addition to this guys, 100% of the content over this website is copied as it matches with many other scam shopping websites. So guys, again it's a negative highlight. Therefore, closer look at stylishfox.com reveals many red flags, such as refund and cancellation policies are not disclosed, contact details are incomplete, also lacks presence on social media platforms, content is not original, images of the products true are duplicate, lack of customer remarks, and low score on Trustpilot makes us to doubt the authenticity of this shopping website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers either not to shop from this website or wait for a while, as there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the unbiased stylishfox.com reviews. And apart from this guys, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below. After all, we are here to spread awareness about scams. So let's do it together. Let's save innocent people from scams. Also guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys. Stay safe, stay informed.